I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Linking a bank account on SoFi Invest can seem tricky at first, but it's pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Open the SoFi Invest app. Launch the SoFi Invest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the linking feature. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon or the settings gear. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your linked accounts. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option that says Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Tap on it to start the linking process. Step 4. Choose your linking method. You will have the option to link your bank account either by logging in through your bank or by manually entering your bank details. Choose the method that works best for you. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank information, you may need to verify your account through a small test deposit. Check your bank account for this deposit to confirm the link. Remember, if you choose the manual entry method, double-check your account number and routing number to avoid any errors. Happy investing! If you have any questions, feel free to ask.